no you never recognize. Got to see you again, no God, what a surprise. Me turn big man alone, see the all a drive. They are searching my dream, I do it hard to find.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. May I pray say everybody a keep safe. May I pray say everybody a watch them on. May I pray say nobody nah go on a road. No eagle going off no road. Tana your yard. That me I pray for. You see me? And even though Tommy Lee daughter was in my prayers last night, I have to be the bearer of the bad news and tell us it's confirmed that Tommy Lee daughter was indeed shot and injured. Yo, Sh0t. In a time like now when the government have corona to deal with, the government have a bag of things on them head, the police them have a bag of things on them head, them still have to worry about crime. We can't just bill. Anyway, we are talking about that after this.
Hello daddy, no you never recognize. Got to see you again, no God, what a surprise. Me turn big man alone, see the all a drive. They are searching my dream, I do it hard to find.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
So one might wonder, say Chaddy, where you get this news from? Oh, you confirmed it. Alright, me I go tell you everything right now. So Boss Lady Music, and that's the manager of Tommy Lee, she make a post in the wee hours of the morning, sometime this morning, you know, in the night. Anyway, she posts and say, there was a shooting incident in the community of Flankers, St. James Parish on March 22nd, 2020. Unfortunately, Mr. Leroy Jr. Russell, aka Tommy Lee Sparta, young daughter, suffered an injury. She was transferred to the hospital and she is currently in a stable condition. On behalf of Boss Lady Music team, we ask for everyone, especially fans, to respect Mr. Russell's privacy during this difficult time and pray for the speedy recovery of his young daughter. Thank you. And this is coming from Boss Lady Music Management Team, and as I say, this is the manager of Tommy Lee Sparta.
Only person I fear I just got down cops. Don't want to see no one come.
If that is not confirmed enough for you, well, the nationwide radio, I know say that a mainstream media, they put out an article on their website and it says there's tensions this morning in Flankers, St. James. Following the shooting incident yesterday of 4 people, including the daughter of prominent dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee. 2 children were among the 4 people shot. One of them, a 9-year-old boy, was killed. Sh0t. Tommy Lee's 6-year-old daughter and a 23-year-old man are among the wounded victims. Reports are some men in the community were involved in a quarrel. It's not immediately clear what the subject of the dispute was. However, gunshots were fired and 4 people were hit.
Mama, me not come home. Me day up on the hunting. I feel turn out to something. And then I'ma make it proud. Mama, me not come home. One day up on the hunting.
Yo, me say, me can bet $1 million here some foolishness them argue over. You see me? And one man probably use a suck your mother term and then gun draw and them thing them. Because most argument at Jamaica, it stem from a suck your mother. One man tell a next man go suck your mother and then gun draw and then all hell broke loose. Anyway, still, may I pray, say yo, she just pulled through. The article did say that she's recovering, she in a stable condition. So may I pray say everything work out and she can bounce back. You see me? Tommy Lee, go and hold it. I mean, I beg you, the people, them just give them a little time, you know? Don't bother run up in on a DM no and ask what go on and them bag of things there. People, them just need space, you know? So you can drop a one comment and say, go and hold it. In other news, dancehall artist Popcaan was on a live recently. Yo, Sh0t, you know say Popcaan a real clown. Popcaan a joker, you know. Anyway, on that live, he stated that he and dancehall artist Jada Kingdom was indeed in a relationship. Prina?
One which acting today or Sunday? So me carry one nice bunch of plant from out the country. You can take some of it, you know.
Yeah, so me carry like green banana there for you too. We can probably tell this.
Why? Give Jada them banana them is Rona. Burn up.
Who is Jada?
That banana. You know Jada Kingdom, mama heavy. Your daughter-in-law. Heavy. Yo! What you do it for?
Me I want that for you.
Me no want that,
Me
brother.
already.
Chicken me want.
So me call you want Adi. Get off. Adi say.
It's Rona.
Say him busy. I don't know him I do.
I know I right time we keep burn out Sunday and burn out the coronavirus, you know.
Say. You know gonna link up later.
20 people at church.
Me don't know the church still keep.
We have 22 this morning.
Why if it too?
You know say people will find you.
Burn up.
You know. Oh.
Yeah, Miss Rona about she have 22 people in her church and why she forget it, you know.
And you know business right now for 22. Right now it's a 20 or 23 days.
How much member in your church, Miss Rona?
Me don't know.
Yeah.
Me I want some of them to annually camp, you know. They be entourage members. Like how them a church member. I make them be entourage member, you know. When I deal it out in our world there. Make sure you not hide from the coronavirus, you know, car. With the new dance then keep off a road. So Miss Rona around there. I rock the popcorn hairstyle. Teeth me hairstyle, good. Lock me up in the house of quarantine. Miss Rona, sing one of Sizzla song them, cover version.
Sister need Jesus.
Give one of the Sizzla them pan. Give me the Sizzla pan. I say no way.
Bad man now.
Move Corona. Me only know Miss Rona. You give her some idea but she don't want it.
Bird. You rich? From Salantiali.
Any man named Bird in a trouble.
Oh.
Cause my inform a parrot.
Antiali
I just right up here.
Tell the man to change her name there.
Who are you?
Delroy.
Yes, grandma.
Me say the woman is a wicked woman, you see. She called me and said, Delroy, can you go and milk the cows? And I say, yes, grandma. Miss Rona, you know Delroy are who? Can go and milk the cows for me? That boy, that hombre there where I found him, I feel leave food out of the gate, you know. Are you going to pick up your little squid? Yeah, we don't want him in here. We don't trust nobody, but we turn out that door. What? Yo, next time I call upon the live, a big stage show I keep it up. Yeah, Popcaan live in concert upon the live. Jules, what one? Big up yourself first. No, Corona they are St. Thomas, you know.
Yeah.
Don't bright yourself in my parish, you know, Miss Rona.
Yeah, I choose.
Remember they afford from here. Why?
Let me charge you.
No. I want to say, have a safe quarantine. Everybody, big up yourself here live. All 3 West, is it? Dre Island? You're lucky, you're there on the island. Ready now? We now have to explain. Black man, see if you garden. Big up your damn self.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. And again, Tamili, daughter, hope you have a safe recovery. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. One way, and any other way, the wrong way.